students. My name is Akshita. Hope everyone is fine in home. Okay. I am also safe. Be safe. Okay. Now, today I am going to teach you maths. What? Maths I am going to teach you. Are you ready? Okay. What happens here? In maths many topics are there. But I have selected here factors. What is the meaning of factor? Then with an example we are going to learn now. Okay, shall I start? Okay. If a number is exactly divisible by the another number without leaving any remainder, then the second number is said to be a factor of first number. What they said? They said a number is exactly divisible now. What they said? The number is exactly divisible by another number. Which number? Another number. Okay. Then they should not leave a remainder like 2, 3, 1 like that. We should not do a remainder. It should be a 0 should be there. Okay. So like this we will see this. So here I am going to tell you example. How we will solve this? See they will give this much. Find the factors of 30. That time you should do a solution like this. First you should go always with one table only. In 1 30 is a 30 will come. Yes. Okay. 2 15s are 30. Yes. Okay. Then 3 10s are 30. Yes. Very good students. Next 5 6 are, I don't know. Can you tell me? 30 right? Yes. 5 6 are how much? 30. So in these table you will get what? 30 right? That all you should write here one by one. First I have written 1 here, 2 here, then 3 here, then 5, 6 here, then 10 here, then 15 here, then 30. Why I have written means these are the tables where you will get as a 30 as a factor. Okay. If they ask you what are the factors, you should write this much answer. Okay. So no need to do this lengthy process. Okay. If you know tables, you can write directly. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then 10, 15, 30 are the factors of 30. Okay. Like this only I have taken one more example. That is what? This is 24. So 24 I have taken as an example. It is also start from 1. Okay. You should start from 1. So 1 into 24 is a 24. If you having doubt means I will write here. Okay. 1 into 24 is a 24. Then 2 12 is a how much? It is also 24. Okay. Then 3 8s are 24. How much? 3 8s are 24. So like this only you should do for this also. 4 6 are 24. Like this you should write. Then in any other table it will come. In 5 table it will come? No. In 6 table? Yes. I have already written here 6. Okay. In 7 table? No. Then in 8 table it will come. So I have already written here 8. Then 9 like this you should go on counting. Okay. Then these all I have written here. 1 I have written, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 means first I have written these all, then I have written these all. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, 12, 24. So these are the factors of 24. Clear? Understood now? So here next example I have taken. In exam or in anything, in any your textbook, they will give like this sentence only. Find the factors of 12. If they asked you like this, so that time you should write solution we are going to do. Okay. What is solution? How we are going to do? So solution we are going to see about 12. 12 is in which table it will come, that we are going to see now. So 1 into 12. So 1 into 12 how much? It is 12 only. Okay. Then in 2 table it will come? Yes. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Then what? In 3 table it will come 3 4s are 12. Okay. Then in 4 table it is already written. In 5 table it will come? No. In 6 table already I have written. In 7 table it will come? No. In 8? No. 9? No. Then 10 also it will not come. 11 also it will not come. So directly we will go for 12. 12 already I have written. So these all numbers I should write here. 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, then 6, then 12. So what are the factors of 12? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So these are the factors of 12. Understood now? Now see, I have taken here one more different question. See, find the total number of factors of 20. Here what happens? You should count the total, means how many are there we need to count. First we will do as before. Okay, 120 is a 20. Then in 2 table it will come. Yes, 2 tens are 20. Then in 3 it will come. No. In 4, yes. How much are 4 5s are 20. In 5 table already it is here. 6 5s are 30, means 30 we want? No, we want 20. In 6 table we will get 20. Yes or no? Read now. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. We want only 20. So, in 6 table it will not come. 7 also it will not come. 8 also not come. Directly it will come in 10. Then after 10 it will come in 20. So, these are the factors. So, first we should write what are this side we will write, then we will go for this side. So first 1, 2, 4, then 5, then 10, then 20. So I have written this. What is the difference in this question? Means they asked how many are there. So you need to count how many are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? What is the answer of this? How many? 6 are there. So, find the total number of 20 is 6. So, next example I have taken this. Find the total number of factors of 15. Before I have taken 20. Now I am going to take 15. So, what is there? Same thing we should do solution. Here 1 15s are 15. Then in 2 table it will come? No. In 3 table it will come. 3 5s are 15. Yes or no? Next. In 4 it will come? No. It will not come in 4. So it will not come in 4 table. So I have taken directly these all. In 5 table, in 6 will not come. So till 15 any number will not come. Only 15 will come. Okay. Now we should write 1, 3, then 5, then 15. So these are the factors of 15. Okay. But how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if they asked you how many factors are there, you should write the answer as 4. No need to write these all. Okay. Clear? Shall I go for next? So next one is C. Which of the following is not a factor of 14? What they said, which one of the following is not a factor. So here option they given. First option is 1, second B option is 7, C option is 14 and D option is 3. So we need to find out which one is not a factor. So solution I will show you here. What we should do, just as before how you did, same thing you should do here. First it will come in 1 14s are, it is 14 only, right? Then 2 into 7s are 2 7s are 14. Then it will come any other table. In 3 table it will not come. In 4 table also it will not come. But here only our answer is there. See, this is a one factor, it is there here, already it is here. Then 2 is also given? No, not given. Then 14 is already is here. Then 7 is also here. And what is, which number is not in our factor? This 3 is not in our factor. So this will be called as what? This is a not factor of 14. Clear? Understood now? So what I did here, first we need to write these all. Then you should search that this number should be in the options. So this is also 1 is also there, then 7 is also there, then 14 is also there. But in 3 table you will not get 14. Is it? If you read table you will not get here 14. So which of the following is not a factor of 16? What they asked here? Here they asked about 16. So that number we need to find out. Okay. They asked not a factor. We should not find a factor. We should find not a factor. Okay. First, same as usual. 1 16 the 16. Okay. Then in 2 table 16 will come. Yes. 2 8s are 16. Is it correct? Yes. Next. Then any other table? In 3 table it will come? No. In 4 table? Yes, it will come. 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16 or not? Yes. Next, in 5 table it will come? No. So, here only our answer will be appear. Okay. Now see here. 1 is already in option. Then 2 is also in option. Then 4 is also in option. But what happened here? 5 is not there. Why? Because in 5 table you will not get a 16. So what is the answer? Our answer is 5. Understood, students? Okay. So which of the following is not a factor of 10? See, I have taken one more example as 10. Okay, don't get confused. Okay. Now what happened here? I have written here option. First one, A option is 2. B option is how much? 6. C option is 5. Then D option is 10. So what are the options? 2, 6, 5, 10. So we will see the solution. Okay. Shall I start now? Are you getting? Yes? Okay. What is the solution? First what I said, you should start from 1. 1 tens are 10. Okay. Then 2 5s are 10. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. 2 5s are 10. Any other table it will come? No. Only these are the factors of 10. So we will search in the options. What is there here? Here 1 is there here. Not given. But 2 is given. Yes. Here it is given. Now 5 is here. Then 10 is also in the option. Clear? Now in 6 table you will get 10? Yes? No. You will not get in 6 table. So answer is what? This is not a factor of 10. So we need to put a right mark. Okay? This is answer of 10. Clear? Now what is the main thing? If you want to take what 3 digits numbers you can take. Okay? Now what happened? These are the factors we are learned today. Thank you for watching.